So, you want to know what it takes to be an AI implementation specialist? Well, let me tell you, it's no walk in the park. But if you're up for the challenge, it can be one of the most rewarding roles in the tech industry. First things first, you need the right qualifications. A bachelor's degree in computer science, information systems, or a related field is a must. But it's not just about the degree. You need strong experience in AI technology implementation and integration. You need to know the ins and outs of business processes and IT infrastructure. But it's not just about the technical skills. As an AI implementation specialist, you need excellent problem solving and project management skills. You'll be navigating complex processes, coordinating with different teams, and managing timelines. It's a juggling act, but you've got to keep all the balls in the air. Now, let's talk about the deployment layer. This is where the magic happens. As an AI implementation specialist, you'll be working with agent tool frameworks and orchestration. You'll be the one making sure everything runs smoothly, from training the models to deploying them in production. Your responsibilities will include designing and implementing AI solutions, integrating them with existing systems, and ensuring they meet the needs of the business. You'll be the bridge between the technical and non-technical teams, translating requirements into actionable plans. But it's not just about the technical side. You'll also need to be a great communicator and collaborator. You'll be working with stakeholders from different departments, so you need to be able to explain complex concepts in a way that everyone can understand. So, if you're up for the challenge, if you're ready to dive into the world of AI implementation, then maybe, just maybe, you've got what it takes to be an AI implementation specialist. It's a role that requires a unique blend of technical expertise, problem-solving skills, and project management know-how. But trust me, the rewards are worth it.